So we got a big stone that's got to be put on a big angle. And, you know, some people just mortar this, put mortar on it, squash the stone on and hope. Well, a lot of time that's hope is placed in the wrong place. Freeze thaw, you break that bond, this thing slides down and kills 100 people. We want to avoid that. I'm going to show you some of the tricks we got here. We got this thing pretty well gizmoed up with this bracing system, but we've already done all the measurements, and underneath here I've cut channels in the bottom side of the BlueStone. And right in, this is a wooden chase actually, but it's still working a masonry chase. In the chase, there's GRK screw heads sticking out. The GRKs have a pretty heavy shank, they're almost like a bolt, and there they are, sticking out about 1.25 inches up into the plane of where this stone's gonna be. And there's this corresponding, I don't know if you can see it in the dark in there, but there's a corresponding little channel here. And that pin, the pin sticking up on the angle, the channel's here, and we've got this hoisted so when this thing lowers down, it's going to go into that keyway basically. And now the stone cannot go down. Now I'm using a landscape adhesive. This is a PL 500 landscape adhesive. Another one is made by the Gator dust guys. It's Gator glue. As long as it's a dry stone, the adhesion there is far superior than what you could get, what I would trust out of a mortar-based glue, or even a thin set. So we're using that PL 400 everywhere we can. We're putting PL 400 up in those pockets around the screw heads. We're going to lower this thing down, place it in, and it can go nowhere.